Love kids teaching kids, learning all new stuff. Late world, bam! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel called Lane's World Kids Teaching Kids. Today we're going to be making a Guardian costume from the Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild. Anyway, so we're going to get to where we need after we get some supplies and bam. So come along with the adventure. Also be sure to smash that like, subscribe down below, have a comment down below, share it to your friends. As always, links for materials in the description below. To sand the mask, so right here I've got sandpaper and we're gonna start. Now first off, you have to hold the mask so that it doesn't like go like that kind of. We're sanding it so that the paint can stick to it. It's gonna take a while, but don't worry. Alright, now we have a baby wipe. And now we're gonna make sure all of this is nice and ready. Here we go. Here you can see all the scratches from the sandpaper. Okay, now we're going to be covering the black parts because that part is very important. Okay, now this is what it looks like. Okay, so here my dad has a picture of the ears, and if you look right here, he's basically cutting it out with a knife. Okay, now that's an ear. We painted the nose with glitter paint and glow in the dark paint. Painting with our fingers was fun. For the pink nose, we mixed glow in the dark paint with our pink paint. Keep even spaces around the edges. Don't do this without adult supervision. These knives are very sharp. For the body, we used a hoop skirt and removed the lowest hoop. We used a can of 1-inch spray foam insulation to make the bylines. Don't spray too fast. For the legs, we used dryer vent hose and cut into 6 30-inch sections. We pinned 4 legs evenly spaced to the body, and I wore the other 2 on my legs. Guardians light up when they see Link, so we used string lights and pinned them to the inside of the body to mimic that glow. Here's the final project. Thanks for watching my video. Also be sure to smash that like, subscribe, smash that bell, have a comment down below, share it to your friends. Thank you very much.